Hi guys, welcome to Women's World. My name is Tokosoni, and on today's show, we will be talking about the pressure to get married in your 20s. I remember when I was, growing up and when I was in the university, I always had the intention that I was going to get married by 23. And I think that was because my mom got married at 24 and my older sister she also got married at 25 or thereabouts. So I would tell my friends, see, me, I want to get married at 23, because you can do so much with your life and whatnot. Then reality set in. I left school and then I went to Lagos. I started working. And I realized that I wanted to be a career woman. I like my job. I would like to get married, but then I realized that there was something more. My life had opened up. Anyway, I will talk more about this topic when I get back. Remember, today's topic is the pressure to get married in your 20s. See you soon. Welcome back, guys. As I was saying, today's topic is the pressure to get married in your 20s. The society, most especially Nigeria, does not favor women who do not get married, say in their 30s. There's always what are you waiting for? Why have you not gotten married? You should have had a child by now. And even though that pressure is a lot sometimes, and lots of people forget the joy they can get in their 20s. Between the age 20 and 30, there are so many things that you can do with your life other than, getting married. Now, this is not to say that you must hold off until you are 30 before you get married. No. But if things are not working out, maybe you are yet to find the love of your life. You shouldn't allow the societal pressure or the parental pressure or the peer pressure to get to you. See, you can chill, you can have friends, you can go out, you can explore. 20s are your time to do the things that you might never have time for in your 30s. See, there's no rush to this thing. Marriage does not happen just like that. And if you rush into marriage, most often than not, you would regret it and you will rush out. So what can you do while you're waiting to get married? You can find out who you are. You can find out about yourself. See, you can only succeed or get the best kind of marriage if you know who you are, if you are comfortable within yourself. Like I said, I always thought that I was going to get married before, say, 23, 24. I got married before my 30s, no doubt about that. But I took my time to find out who Tokwe was. And it really helped me. And maybe because I became friends with people who were much older than me, they made me realize that marriage is there for you. You are most likely going to spend like 50, 60 years with this person. So why are you rushing? Why are you allowing people to push you into relationships that do not benefit you only because you want to be a missus? It will take its time. That is the truth, sis. You can't rush it. You will find who you love. And when you find that person, you'll be glad for it that you waited. So, are you going to share this episode with your friends? Are you going to talk to your sisters? Are you going to, share it with that girl who feels like, oh, she's 25 years old and I don't have a boyfriend yet. And so what? Your life is richer when you have other things other than just one thing that is marriage. There are so many wonderful things that you can get to. I made the best of my friends when I was in my 20s. Anyway, I'm going to close with this. Loving yourself truly would only help you love another person truly. You can never love any other person as much as you love yourself. And the moment you feel like you love someone else more than you love yourself, there's a problem there. So why don't you take your time and find out who you are? Follow me on Instagram at Tokosoni and follow our social media channels. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.